Hey guys, so it looks like I made a big score. Because I have all of my windows sitting out against my house, a neighbor just came by and said, hey, I got some more glass if you want it. So I'm actually going to go pick it up, or at least to go take a look. So there's some nice people down the street from where I live, and they just replaced all of the windows in their house, and they're actually just looking to get rid of these. So you can see behind me here. Check out that, and that's only about half of them. There's actually some really big ones. But I have to come back. Since it's really close, I can come back with my kayak dolly. I have a thing for wheeling my kayak, and I'll just bring that to wheel the bigger ones back. Okay, so I've picked up all of the windows now. I didn't film any of it because it was kind of a pain. And I had to load up my SUV twice, completely full of windows. And then I did 2 trips because it was so close. I walked down there with a small dolly, and I walked back a bunch of metal frames that they had taken off some glass, as well as 2 giant windows, and this is the final result. See all the windows? I got multiple different sizes. I got smaller ones, I got big ones. The only downside of these windows, this glass is not tempered, so if it breaks, it really breaks. It shatters all over the place, which is not good, but I'm going to use these for a cold frame, or multiple cold frames. See, I've got a bunch of these metal frames. I can actually make a couple of things out of that, including a new gate that has like barn doors. Because these are so light, I'll just put some of that 2-inch by 1-inch pine in there, and then I can make it so dogs can't get in, because people's dogs go underneath this and they crap in my yard, which is nice. So yeah, and then I've got some of these are a little bit more sturdy, and they actually have sliding stuff. But yeah, I mean, really good haul. So you just gotta keep your eyes peeled if you're looking to start some garden projects like this. I've been waiting to get some materials like this because I don't want to buy all this stuff. I know people just give it away. You just have to be ready for it. In this case, someone saw my windows in the front and was thinking, I wonder if that guy's making a greenhouse. He knocked on my door and asked me. So pretty sweet deal. And it's good for them too, because I got rid of it all. They didn't have to worry about doing that, and I get all the free windows. So if you have any ideas of what else I could do with these windows, because I have so many of them, I'm going to be doing probably at least 5 or 6 cold frames for the winter, and then I'll be building a greenhouse, but I'll still have more windows. If you have any ideas, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until the next one, have a great day.